Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to show hidden files on a pen drive using Windows Explorer. This is a common issue, especially if your pen drive has been affected by a virus. So, let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. First, make sure you have your pen drive inserted into a USB port on your computer. Step 2. Open File Explorer by either clicking on the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and E on your keyboard. Step 3. In File Explorer, navigate to this PC and locate your pen drive from the list of available drives. Step 4. Click on the View tab at the top of the window and then click on Options on the far right side. Step 5. In the Folder Options window, head to the View tab. Step 6. Under Advanced Settings, select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives, also, and check Hide Protected Operating System Files Recommended. Step 7. Click Apply to save the changes, and then click OK to confirm. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to show hidden files on a pen drive using Windows Explorer. Remember, hidden files can sometimes be caused by viruses, so it's important to keep your antivirus software updated and scan your pen drive if you suspect any issues.